It is a project from the very beginning to capitalize in the synergies between my academic group with the coordination of ICNAS-Pharma.
This is a very interesting project we have. It's financed by COMPET and PT 2020, and it's trying to transform some vesicles that are excreted by the cells into vectors for diagnosis and therapy.
Here you can see the urine and the mosaic mold stem cells. The size is very similar, although we have the size of the MNC is a bit higher.
This can lead to the death of myocytes, and we can lose more than 25% of the population of myocytes in the heart just in a few hours.
So they at functional level, they have properties that no other blood vessels have in our body.
The other thing about metal radionuclides is the labeling conditions. It's very difficult, or I would say almost impossible, to use organic radionuclides to label this type of molecules.
These results suggest that exosomes have affinity for metastatic lesions.
This non-invasive imaging approach has the potential to give us the quantitative information about the global status of these receptors.
The discussion that we have today was very insightful in terms of having new ideas for launching other opportunities.
And we are very, very positive that this incentive will transform into products that will change this field in the future.